The world of beauty pageants has been rocked by an unprecedented scandal as Miss Universe 2024 third runner-up Opal Suttachuangthri was dramatically stripped of her title just hours after being crowned Miss World Thailand 2025. This shocking turn of events has sent shockwaves through the international pageant community, creating a firestorm of controversy and debate. The Miss Universe organization made the explosive announcement on 22 April, citing a clear violation of contractual obligations when TPN Global, the organizers of Miss Universe Thailand, allowed Opal to compete in another major pageant before completing her reign. This bold move by the MUO marks one of the most dramatic disciplinary actions in recent pageant history, setting a strict precedent for future title holders. At the heart of this controversy lies a complex web of pageant politics and shifting alliances. Opal's journey took an unexpected turn when the MUO surprisingly revoked TPN Global's franchise and transferred it to Miss Grand International, creating an organizational crisis for the Thai beauty queen. Rather than fade from the spotlight, TPN Global made the audacious decision to secure the Miss World Thailand license and appoint their reigning star Opal as their representative. This calculated move instantly positioned Opal as one of the most talked about contestants heading into Miss World 2025, but came at the cost of her hard-earned Miss Universe placement. The MUO's swift and uncompromising response has ignited fierce debates about the boundaries of pageant contracts and the autonomy of national title holders. The drama intensifies when examining Opal's precarious position in this high-stakes game of pageant chess. As a Miss Universe third runner-up, she occupied one of the most prestigious placements in the competition, yet found herself increasingly marginalized in the organization's new era of continental queens. With the MUO focusing its promotional efforts on these regional title holders rather than traditional finalists, Opal faced the difficult choice between remaining loyal to an organization that offered diminishing returns or seizing a fresh opportunity on another global stage. Her decision to accept the Miss World Thailand crown demonstrates both her ambition and the changing dynamics of international pageantry, where queens must increasingly take control of their own careers. Looking ahead to Miss World 2025, Opal enters the competition as perhaps the most controversial contestant in recent memory. The condensed 15-day preparation period presents an enormous challenge, yet also plays into the narrative of a queen defying the odds. Her established platform supporting breast cancer awareness through Opal for Her aligns perfectly with Miss World's Beauty with a Purpose ethos, potentially giving her an advantage over competitors. However, the shadow of her very public departure from Miss Universe will loom large over her campaign, with judges certain to scrutinize whether this move demonstrates admirable determination or problematic opportunism. The pageant world now waits with bated breath to see if Opal can transform this scandal into a triumphant second act. This extraordinary situation raises fundamental questions about power dynamics in modern pageantry. The MUO's harsh punishment sends a clear message about maintaining control over its brand and title holders, while Miss World stands to benefit enormously from the increased attention generated by this controversy. For national organizations like TPN Global, the episode highlights the precarious nature of franchise agreements and the need to diversify their pageant portfolios. Most importantly, Opal's story forces us to reconsider what we expect from beauty queens in an era where they are increasingly asserting their independence and making career decisions that defy traditional norms. Whether viewed as a cautionary tale or an inspiring act of defiance, this drama will undoubtedly reshape pageant protocols for years to come. Thailand's Opal Suttachuangthri crowned Miss World Thailand 2025 but dethroned from Miss Universe on the same day. A pageant shock like never before. I may have only 15 days to prepare for the Miss World stage, but I carry with me a lifetime of purpose, the spirit of Thai people, and a heart that's ready to serve. These were the powerful words shared by Opal Sutta just moments after she was officially crowned Miss World Thailand 2025. But in a shocking twist that stunned pageant fans across the globe, she was dethroned as Miss Universe 2024's third runner-up on the very same day. Yes, you read that right, appointed and dethroned in less than 24 hours. Welcome to a new era of pageantry where drama unfolds faster than ever, and the stakes are sky high. Let's rewind for a second. Just last year, Opal proudly represented Thailand at the Miss Universe 2024 pageant in Mexico, securing a prestigious third runner-up placement, an achievement that sparked national pride and hope. Her eloquence in the Kande, her grace on stage, and her commitment to advocacy won the hearts of many. Fast forward to today, Thailand's leading pageant powerhouse, TPN Global, shocked fans by officially appointing Opal as Miss World Thailand 2025. With just 15 days to prepare, Opal now carries the dreams of 70 million Thais as she heads to the Miss World stage, a pageant Thailand has never won in 75 years. Just as fans were celebrating her appointment to Miss World, the Miss Universe organization dropped a stunning announcement: effective immediately, Opal is no longer recognized as the third runner-up. According to insiders, the decision stems from her shift in allegiance from Miss Universe to Miss World. This may be the first time in pageant history that a reigning top 5 Miss Universe queen has been dethroned for switching systems, and on the same day she was appointed to a new title. As one pageant analyst put it, "This is wild. I've never seen anything like this before." A girl crowned and dethroned within hours, it's pageant history. This explosive move reveals a deeper rift between Miss Universe and Miss World, two of the world's top pageant empires. When TPN Global lost the Miss Universe Thailand license, they quickly pivoted, securing the Miss World Thailand franchise and launching their queen, Opal, into the international spotlight once again. While Miss Universe has shifted focus to its new Continental Queens initiative, offering travel and brand deals to those winners, many top 5 contestants like Opal have been left sidelined. Despite her remarkable placement, Opal wasn't offered the same global opportunities, causing her and her camp to look elsewhere. And so, Miss World it is, a new battlefield, a fresh challenge, and perhaps a bigger chance for glory. Despite the controversy, support for Opal is pouring in. Her appointment has catapulted her into the top tier of Miss World fan predictions, many already placing her among the frontrunners. Fans are calling her a rare queen who can excel in both systems. Thailand's best chance at finally winning Miss World. The embodiment of grace, grit, and glowing advocacy. And let's face it, Opal fits the Miss World mold perfectly. She's regal, articulate, philanthropic, and grounded. With TPN Global's high-caliber training, she's more than equipped to take the Miss World stage by storm. Here's a spicy twist to imagine: what if Thailand wins Miss Universe 2025 and Miss World 2025? It's not far-fetched. If Veena, another Thai frontrunner, secures the Miss Universe crown this year, and Opal triumphs at Miss World, Thailand would hold both global titles simultaneously for the first time ever. That kind of pageant dominance would shake the entire industry. Girl, the Thai queens are coming for everything. The sash factor is real now. This dethronement sends a clear message: loyalty to a pageant brand matters more than ever. But in the modern world of pageantry, queens are taking control of their own stories. In her own words, Opal remains focused, humble, and unshaken. "I hope to bring home the first Miss World crown for Thailand after 75 years of waiting. Not only for me, but for every Thai heart that believed it was possible." It's a dream worth chasing. And for Opal, it's no longer just about pageants. It's about purpose, people, and passion. The pageant world is fierce, political, and often unpredictable. But in the middle of it all stands a young woman from Thailand who dared to make a choice for herself, her purpose, and her people. Will Opal Suttachuang go all the way at Miss World 2025? Only time will tell. But one thing's for sure, she's already made history.